Believe it or not, every small business loan application doesn't have to take up a few weeks of your life. Not every lender will require perfect credit, a complicated business plan, and pages of documents just to tell you whether or not your business is going to pay rent this month. Occasionally, small business owners find themselves in a financially tight spot. That's a simple fact of doing business. What's not a fact is that the major banks, SBA, and fast cash merchant cash advance companies are your only options for a small business loan application. The good and bad of a small business loan application from a bank. If you have ever tried to fill out a small business loan application from a traditional bank, you may already understand the headline. Banks place heavy emphasis on the entrepreneur's personal as well as business credit, in addition to many other factors. For some business owners, a few missed payments on a credit card can be the difference between receiving funding and being left out in the cold. Most banks will also want years' worth of tax returns and other documents for their loan application. They will spend weeks analyzing the data, slogging through every decision you have ever made. You will also need to explain exactly how every penny of the loan will be spent in advance and detail it in a business plan. Banks will also require a list of collateral and capital that you are willing to risk on the loan. Should your business run into hard times, you may find the delivery van that you need to run your business has been taken away by the bank. Finally, after the banking crisis of the last few years, many banks are still feeling the after effects of their poor lending policies that led to the near collapse of the economy in the first place. This can make it difficult to simply find a bank that is accepting small business loan applications at all. Don't think that bank loans are all bad. Quite the contrary, banks provide some of the cheapest and safest working capital a business owner could ask for, which often more than makes up for the inflexibility of the loan application process. What about an MCA or alternative loan for a small business? An MCA, merchant cash advance, is a very different form of lending. To qualify, most lenders require you to have been in business for more than a year, as well as a minimum monthly number of credit card transactions. MCAs are not technically a loan. Rather, the lender purchases an amount of future credit card sales your business is expected to make at a discount. Because of this, the loan is repaid in micropayments as credit card sales are made. The advantage to this is there are no large monthly minimums to meet. The disadvantage is a slightly higher overall cost unless the lender has access to inexpensive capital. Do you need a business loan or a line of credit? Don't wait. Visit us now at precisionbusinessloans.com for the very best in options and no application fees. We're typically able to get our customers approved within just 1 day and funded within 5 days. Our approval rating is above 95%. Visit precisionbusinessloans.com today.